Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we will be unboxing the Sony HT-S350 soundbar. Now this thing comes with a subwoofer and it has a Bluetooth function in it as well. So let's get to it. Alright, so what have we got here? We got this on Amazon. Amazing deal. Less than 200 bucks than the retail price. There was a big sale on $200 off the retail price. So amazing deal. If I haven't said this before, the soundbar is wireless. That's really convenient because you can move this subwoofer anywhere in the room you want to. Obviously not on a, you can move it behind the couch or in front of the couch, wherever you want to keep it. So this is the soundbar. This is a subwoofer. Sorry. Oh my goodness, wow.
It's huge. I thought it was just going to be a little part.
Yeah. Holy cow, this looks premium. Look at this, guys. Comes with a beautiful remote control. It comes with an optical cable, so you don't have to purchase one. And if you've got a spare HDMI cable lying around, you can connect that with this. So that's a great thing that they've provided an optical cable.
Can we just use that instead of HDMI?
Sorry?
Can we just use that instead of HDMI?
Yes, that's right. And this is the soundbar. The soundbar is quite lightweight. Lightweight. Wow. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. What does it say here? Demo. Press for 5 seconds and it'll give you some sort of a demo. It has a nice little leather-like texture on the top and looks beautiful. And it's gonna go pretty well with the Sony TV that we have over here. Alright guys, so now we've actually set up the soundbar and placed the subwoofer on the floor. I've actually connected the soundbar with the HDMI cable, which goes into the ARC HDMI at the back of this TV, because what's that going to do when you're going to switch on the TV? It's going to automatically turn on. When you're going to turn it off, when you're going to turn off the TV, this thing's going to automatically go back to sleep. So that's what you need, and that's why you need the ARC connector at the back. And if you don't have that, don't worry about it. It's not a big deal because the remote control which comes with this thing, it's really good. What else? Connection was really easy. I plugged this on, I switched it on, and it connected immediately automatically with the subwoofer which is on the floor. Alright, so let's give you guys a quick sample of the sound. I'm gonna play this little section of the movie. It's got like a fight sequence, and there's music, there's explosions, and you guys would be able to get some sort of an idea. Here we go.
911, what's your emergency?
Mr. Delmar.
Hey, Mr. Delmar, you in here? Is there anybody in here? Hello?
Oh, come on. I got him. Here.
Okay, good. Yes?
Alright guys, obviously I'm not gonna play the whole movie for the sound, but all I can say, this is the next day, and the sound quality of the soundbar is just mind-blowing. One of the things I also want to mention, on the remote control, you've got a night mode function. So if it's nighttime and you don't want to disturb your neighbors, you can actually use that and still get that cinema sound. And you've also obviously got this cinema sound, which you can use during the daytime, or if you just want to focus on the voice in the movie and not all these other sound effects. The vocals are going to get emphasized. Anyways, it's a nifty little remote control. Looks like a chocolate bar, and the volume button is pretty big. So it pretty much fits the thumb, which is just what you want. Yeah. Alright, so the other thing which this system has is a Bluetooth connection. You can connect your phone and you can play your music through this thing. And I'm not sure how much of the sound you'd be able to actually hear through the soundbar what I've recorded before. But I can tell you it sounds like you're in a movie theater. The sound system is amazing. 320 watts. That's heaps. I've got a 120 watts soundbar system, and that's heaps. So this is like all the extra horsepower that you need to turn your home into a home theater. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll be posting heaps more videos. I've got a vlog coming up and it'll be a snow vlog, so watch out for that. Catch you guys later. Take care. Bye.